So today I'm gonna go outside right now because we have a pet bird and we have a sister one today. I don't know, we're gonna go see if she's gone out yet. I don't think so because my dog's not watching. So no, it has not gone out. When there's a hole right here. Freaking dumb bird. Look, there's a hole right here. Like, the freaking bird can get out right now. I don't know why he's not out yet, but he should be getting out. Because if he doesn't get out, then he's just a dumb bird. Because the bird could be getting out right now. Like on the ground, ready to go out. And he's eating food. You got my food over there outside, cat. Doggies, my doggies. I bet you my dogs are getting ready to bark at the thing. Because when we got him, he broke a leg. And now it's soft. Wait. I hear something? I'm gonna check the bird. Huh? Yep, he's eating food. Right there. I don't know if you guys saw him, I can see. But he's like eating food. I don't know why. But here's all this cooking stuff that my grandpa and my dad do when they cook. And here, right here. Oh, Chewy, look at Chewy. Oh, should I take a picture? Chewy. I'm a Chewy and Benji. Tomorrow is Chewy's birthday and Benji's birthday, actually. On Valentine's Day when they were born. Which we found out when we asked owners, the original owners, when we bought them. But it's fine. We do give presents, you know, like we like our dogs. We're nice, you know. We're just gonna give them presents. Huh, Benji? We're gonna give you presents? Oh, he's scratching me. Chewy, shut up. There's the birds right there. In the cage, which is, you guys saw the doors freaking open. Oh, I might be happening. I'm gonna check. Oh, the bird is right there. He's still not out. I don't know why. This thing forever. But he's, I don't know what thing is forever for. I'm just like waiting here. I might just go on my cousin's bike actually. I'll go on my cousin's bike. No, I'm scared. Wait. Guys, wait. I'll come back later. Because I'm back and I could not get the camera riding on this bike, which is my cousin's bike, my little cousin's bike right here. It's old. Let's see. I'm still waiting for this bird. What is that bird doing? I'm scared that he's going to attack me when he gets out. So he's right there. Oh, I'm scared, basically. My dog's. If you guys didn't know, Chewy actually, Chewy, he always gets one food, like, you know those little things, those things that he has, he always gets one by one, which is, I think it's funny, because he always plays around with it. Ah! Fuck. Shit. Guys, the bird went away, finally! Guys, sorry because I didn't catch that on the tape. Oh my god, guys, the bird went. I'm gonna see you guys in my room, okay? So guys, sorry guys, I didn't cut that tape actually. It just scared the shit out of me, I swear. I went like flying, she went away like fast. I went like this way, like where the window is in my room. Like right here. See it? My window's kind of dirty. Sorry guys. Right now I'm watching some TV. And yes, so guys, I'll see you guys next time. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kimberly Biala's channel, Popular Everyone's Fans, Justin Torres, BFS, GF, Joy Stuff, and LDS Shut Lady. And so guys, yeah, that's the end of today's video. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace on the streets.